Welcome back to the Rallycross Project. I am here at Jayko Per4mance, this beautiful little shop right here that's just filled to the brim with Subarus. And I love it because Subarus are awesome. Look at them all. There's my beast. Anyways, here's the beast. Just got her fixed up. After he fixed the exhaust, it sounds way better. Can't even hear it running. Pretty low on fuel. But you got the steering, power steering fixed. Oh yeah, that feels good. This thing's got fresh brakes, fresh power steering. And that's about it for now, but take a look underneath.
Oh yeah. The header smacked in there. Power steering fixed. Ah, this is joyful.
I'm gonna take it for a quick spin, but the car is in good running shape at the moment, and we're gonna use it this weekend. So here we go.